Hello and welcome to CMS Forex News. I'm market analyst Nick Nassad. Today is Friday, March 20th, 2009. We start today's broadcast with some European releases. Eurozone industrial production fell 3.5% on the month in January, a sharper decline than we saw the previous month. On the year, output was down a record 17.3%. Faced with a deepening recession and a severe pullback in global trade, firms are scaling back their production levels. In Germany, producer prices fell 0.5%, a bigger fall than was expected by economists. The decline came as a result of lower metal and food prices. On the year, prices are up 0.9%, which is lower than the 2% seen in February. The euro-dollar pair fell in favor of the greenback following the last two sessions of strong increases for the euro. The pair is seeing a correction to the recent 700 pip rally following the Fed announcement that it would buy treasuries. Friday is usually a day of profit-taking as well, which would add more credence to a retracement today. The euro set an intraday high prior to its industrial production data at 1.3725, which was also yesterday's high. From there, the pair fell about 150 pips as the weak production data pressured the euro. Also, two central bank officials signaled further interest rate cuts from the ECB. The pound-dollar pair traded lower as well. Just like with the euro, the pound retested its high from yesterday near 1.4590, but this area acted as resistance. By New York afternoon trading, the pair was off about 150 pips from that high. Though it fell against the dollar, the pound rose against its other key rivals, the yen and euro. The pound-yen pair rallied 200 pips to the 139 level, breaking through a short-term line of resistance. The rally, however, stalled in New York trading. The dollar-yen pair also advanced, rising 180 pips from its low near 94.15, pairing about one-half of the losses the greenback has seen versus the yen the last two sessions. The correction here against the yen, which amounted to about 50%, was more pronounced than what we saw against the euro and the pound. U.S. stocks were weaker today, with the major indexes off between 1 and 2%. In Canada, retail sales rose 1.9% in January after declining 5.2% in December, which was the largest monthly decline in more than 15 years. Sales rose in 5 of the 8 retail sectors, led by a 3.8% increase in the automotive sector. Core retail sales, meanwhile, were up 1.3%. Next week begins with data on existing home sales in the U.S. on Monday, and on Tuesday, the Eurozone and Germany will post their flash manufacturing and services PMI data. Also, Tuesday, the UK will release its consumer price data. And that wraps up our coverage of the Forex markets for this week. Thank you for joining us here at CMSFX.com. And from everyone here, have a great weekend.